everyone, this is Ray, and I'm working on a VW Passat 2014. It's a common issue that the steering lock starts to give up. The key will turn a little bit, but not all the way. Best way to do this job is to take the lock off the column, okay? Because once you get the lock off the column, you could drill a little hole so you can save the ignition part of it, okay? By drilling a little hole, you can push the active retainer so you don't have to do it through the front. You can do it right off the back here and slide it out and save it, okay? I replaced them with a Huff unit. It's German. They come with the Vallejo, Brazilian. There's two types of columns. There's the hard one, and then there's the easier one. And this top cover pops off. There's two Allen screws here that need to be removed, one there, one on the other side. This one pops off, and there's the ignition. This is the easier one. The other one has a motherboard underneath there that you have to address. Remove it without breaking it. Thank you. Ray with IQ on a VW Passat. Thank you.